Yes, next topic, constrained motion and its a type. So the type of constrained motion is divided into three types: completely constrained motion, incompletely constrained motion, successfully constrained motion. Now types of first one, completely constrained motion. So completely constrained motion means when the relative motion between a pair is limited to a definite direction irrespective of the direction of applied force, then the motion is said to be completely constrained. Example: a motion of square bar sliding in a rectangular slot of a fixed block. Here you can see the figure. This fixed block having slot and this square block is moving into this slot. The incompletely motion of round bar, round hole can be successfully constrained to pure rotational motion by providing a key in a round bar and circular shown in figure. The arrangement prevent possible sliding motion and bar only rotates. So this square block is moving into this fixed block without rotation and just sliding. Similarly, if there is a pulley or if there is a round bar is moving into the circular hole. So this round bar can rotate as well as can slide. So a key is provided, so only sliding motion is obtained. Then incompletely constrained motion. Incompletely constrained motion means when two links are connected in such a manner that their relative motions can take place in more than one direction, then the motion is said to be incompletely constrained motion. Example, you can see in the figure. So there is a fixed block and a circular hole is there and the round bar. So round bar can rotate as well as can slide. So this is example of incompletely constrained motion, because there is a more than one motion can be obtained. So circular shaft in a circular hole in a fixed block, during rotation of shaft it also reciprocate. So it rotate as well as it reciprocates. Then third type, successfully constrained motion. So successfully constrained motion means when the relative motion between the elements forming a pair is not completely constrained by itself, but it is made so by some other means is called the successfully constrained motion. So example, the motion of shaft in footstep bearing is shown in figure. So this shaft can move upward direction, shaft prevented by the pad over here, prevented by applying the load on the top, and only rotation motion is possible. Therefore, its motion has been successfully constrained in one direction only. In this case, shaft can move up and down, but a force is applied on the top and allowing to move only rotational motion. So such type of motion is called as successfully constrained motion. Then kinematic chain and their types. Kinematic chain means it is defined as combination of kinematic pair joined in such a way that each link forms two pairs and the relative motion between the link or element is completely or successfully constrained. In kinematic chain, no link is fixed. For any arrangement of different links connected together in all lower pairs to be kinematic chain, then the relation between the number of pair and number of link and the number of joint is given as, so number of pair to P, number of link and number of joints. Now next topic is mechanism. What is mechanism? Mechanism means it is the assemblage of resistant body connected by movable joints with one link is fixed in a closed kinematic chain and used to transmit or modify motion. A mechanism with 4 links is called simple mechanism, and the mechanism with more than 4 links are to be called as compound mechanism. Here you can see link 1, 2, 3, 4. So link 1 is fixed and these 3 links are moving. Condition for 4-bar kinematic chain or Greshoff's law. Greshoff's law means it states that the sum of the shortest and longest link in kinematic chain must be less than the sum of other 2 remaining links. Inversion of mechanism. Inversion of mechanism means a mechanism is a kinematic chain which one link fixed. The fixed link is called as frame. Different mechanisms are obtained by fixing different link in a kinematic chain. Definition of inversion. What is inversion? So inversion means the process of choosing different link in kinematic chain for the frame is known as inversion. In inversion, the mechanism, the relative motion between the links remains same and the absolute motion of the link which is measured with respect to the frame may be changed. Mechanism obtained in process of inversion should be different in appearance and purpose for which they are used. Now machine. What is machine? Machine can be defined as it is an assemblage of resistant link or element with completely constrained motion which is used to transmit or transform the force and motion to perform particular link of work. Or you can define machine as it is a device which receives energy and transform it for performing some successful work. That example is steam engine, internal combustion engine, turbine, etc. Now another definition is structure. Structure means it is the assemblage of number of resistant link or element having no relative motion between them and transmit only forces having straining action. Example, roof trusses, machine frame, buildings, etc. etc. are the example of structure. Now in examination, difference between machine and structure question may ask. So machine means the link or part of machine have relative motion with respect to one another, while the structure means the link of structure have no relative motion to one another. Machine can transform the available energy for performing useful work. The structure do not transfer available energy into useful work. Machine may transmit both power and motion. Structure only transmit forces. Degree of freedom is one or more than one. And degree of freedom in structure, degree of freedom is 0 or negative. Example, IC engine, screw jack. Example of structure, roof trusses and bridges. Now, difference between machine and mechanism. So, machine and mechanism. Machine mechanism. Machine, it transmit or modifies the available energy into some kind of desired work. Mechanism, it is only transmit or modify the motion. The machine is constructed or built on the skeleton of a mechanism considering strength requirement for desired application. Mechanism means it is a skeleton for many machines which is designed for getting the required motion. Machine, the dimension and shape are very important parameter, and mechanism, the dimension of link are not so important parameter while constructing mechanism. Example of machine are steam engine, reciprocating pump, while the mechanism, example, slider crank mechanism, pump mechanism. Now, difference between mechanism and structure. Mechanism is a kinetic chain which transmit and transfer motion, and structure, there is no relative motion between its links with transmit only force. Mechanism, it is a skeleton diagram of a machine to transmit the definite motion between various links. Structure, it deserves to modify and transmit the forces only, and no energies is transmit for doing any mechanical work. Mechanism, the motion of force transmission is desirable. Structure, only force transmission is desirable. Example of mechanism, typewriter, clockwork, and structure, roof trusses, buildings. Now, in next lecture we will see inversion of kinematic chain. What is inversion? What is the inversion of kinematic chain? That we will see in next lecture. Or okay, next lecture.